Imagine a family road trip where every passenger is comfortable, technology keeps everyone entertained, and fuel efficiency means fewer stops and more adventure. Now, what if I told you that this car isn't just practical but also sleek, powerful, and packed with cutting-edge features? This isn't just another SUV, it's a game-changer for those who demand the perfect balance of performance, comfort, and technology. Stay with us, because what you're about to see might just make you reconsider your next vehicle. Welcome to ByteBuzz Innovations, the ultimate destination for automotive enthusiasts who crave deep dives into the latest and greatest vehicles. If you're looking for in-depth analysis, expert insights, and a touch of entertainment, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at a vehicle that's redefining what a modern SUV should be. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend road tripper, or someone who just loves a refined driving experience, there's something in this car for you. So let's get right into it. Under the hood, it features a hybrid powertrain with an electric motor paired with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. The battery is designed for optimal energy recovery, giving it an electric range of around 64 kilometers before needing assistance from a gasoline engine. With a total system output of 340 horsepower, acceleration is smooth and effortless, making highway merging and overtaking a breeze. In terms of dimensions, it's about 195 inches long, 76 inches wide, and stands at 69 inches tall, giving it a commanding road presence while still being maneuverable in urban settings. Performance is where this SUV truly shines. The all-wheel drive system ensures stability in all weather conditions, while the adaptive suspension provides a smooth ride over rough terrain. With a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of just 6.5 seconds, it's surprisingly quick for its category. The hybrid setup means better fuel efficiency without sacrificing power, and the regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery as you drive. Whether you're on the highway, navigating city streets, or tackling light off-road trails, the handling is responsive and confidence-inspiring. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious yet functional interior. Soft-touch materials, leather upholstery, and an intuitive dashboard layout make for an upscale experience. The infotainment system features a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster keeps the driver informed, while an available heads-up display projects key information onto the windshield. The cabin is designed for comfort, with heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced noise-canceling technology to keep the ride serene. Technology extends beyond entertainment. The driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an upgraded self-parking feature. Multiple cameras and sensors provide a 360-degree view, making tight parking spots effortless. The hands-free power liftgate and remote start at convenience, while multiple USB-C ports and a wireless charging pad ensure everyone's devices stay powered. Of course, no car is perfect. On the plus side, this SUV offers excellent fuel efficiency, an upscale interior, and strong performance for its class. The hybrid system is a significant improvement over previous models, making it both eco-friendly and powerful. However, some drawbacks include a slightly firm ride due to the sportier suspension tuning, a somewhat high starting price, and the fact that some tech features are only available on higher trims. Additionally, while the cargo space is generous, the third-row seating can feel a bit cramped for adults. Experts and car owners alike have praised this model for its reliability, smooth driving experience, and premium feel. Automotive critics highlight its well-balanced performance and high-tech features, often comparing it favorably to luxury SUVs that cost significantly more. Owners appreciate the fuel savings and quiet cabin, but mention that some competitors offer more spacious third-row seating. Overall, the consensus is clear. This SUV delivers on its promises, making it a strong contender in the crowded mid-size SUV segment. Now, let's talk about value. With a starting price of around $44,000 and climbing to over $55,000 for the fully loaded trim, it's not the cheapest option in its class. However, when you factor in the fuel savings, advanced technology, and premium features, it becomes a compelling choice. Compared to rivals like the Honda Pilot or the Hyundai Palisade, this model stands out with its hybrid efficiency and more refined driving experience. If you're looking for a balance between luxury, practicality, and cutting-edge tech, it's certainly worth considering. Now it's your turn. What feature of this SUV do you think stands out the most? Would you consider buying one, or do you think there's a better option in this category? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's start a conversation. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to ByteBuzz Innovations for more deep dives into the latest cars. Check out our other videos for more expert reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.